Yeah, that's dope as hell. I bet it looks better when it's even darker at night, but it's looking good out here. I'll leave you with this for a few seconds more. Let me zoom in. Damn, son. Yeah. I was about to stop filming there. Wow. Let me move back. Look at how damn this is. There's a mist in the air. The camera can't capture it, but there's definitely a mist going on. It's quite high. It's not as high as the building, however it looks like that due to your perception. But beautiful. Beautiful thing. Let me just get below and capture it. I'm on the floor here. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Blooming beautiful. As I said, I'm sure it would look better at night. So I noticed there was lights there in the daytime. Now that is beautiful. What's it gonna do now? Beautiful. Well, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.